Okay, shop fans, here we are on the top of the roof of the 2021 Newmar Dutch Star, and the question is, how bad can an air conditioner be if you've never maintained your coils? And so that's where we are. So right now I have these screws down at the bottom, and now we're down to the first thing we need to clean. That's this guy right here, and then under that styrofoam cover there is another. And so we'll get our cans of cleaner up here, and then we'll get started. I'm bringing up some wrap. All right guys, here's the products that I've picked to do the rooftop air conditioners. The first one on the right is a foaming cleaner. I'm going to use that on the outside coil. It's also got the scrubby tip on the top, and so I'll use that to help line out some of the fins on the outside. So I'll do the outside coil with that top and with that foaming cleaner, and then I may have to rinse it out. I've got a spray bottle with a mix of a little bit of Windex, Dawn soap, and water, and I just keep that handy. And, so and then these over here, the Evap Fresh No Rinse, that one's a mildew resistant, and I'm going to use that on the inside. That's a no rinse product, and so technically it will just literally slide off. All right, so we can see here's the outside air coil. And right along there on that fuzzy top piece, it's captured a lot of dirt. The rest of it down here is not as bad as it could be, although it looks pretty brown. And so we're gonna go ahead and brush that out with the top. And that's this little device here. As you can see, we have bristles on the top, and we're gonna brush out the bent air fins as best we can, and we're going to try to get the big chunks of stuff out of the coil as best we can before we start spraying. You can see that's a big coil all the way around the side there, and so we've got a lot of brushing to do. All kinds of trouble up here, so we're going to want to get as much of that out as we can. Look at that. This is a big mess. All right, I folded a rag back in here. I'm gonna try to soak up some of that at the bottom. If you kind of look down inside there, I've got a little ledge set up, and let's work this one end of it right here. I'm kind of working that side of it first. I'm going to let that go for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to come back over here and get this side done. And then we'll move up and do the front of the interior air coil. All right, let's do the other side. Look at how it lifts out that goo, how it's pulling it out as it foams out. That's, all right, just lifted that cover straight off the top. So that's all we had to do. Now we've got to get into this surround. Well, look at that. So we have each of these latches, and now it looks to me like every one of these little hex drivers are going to have to come out as well. And there's maybe 1, 2, this one's rusted, that's gonna be exciting. 3, 4, 5. All right, all the screws are out of the case. So this cover had 5 screws in it, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the ground. The 5th one was rusted off and actually broken off. And so it looks like we're going to be able to get the cover off now. There she is. So we're going to set the cover over here. And now we are down to the interior air cleaner and access into, as you can see, the what do we call this? The channeled compartmented air below it. I forgot the right word for it, but I'm going to drop a big rag inside there to help protect what goes into the coach, and so we don't make a mess there. And this is the back bedroom, so that's right over the bed. So now we're kind of working. We've got about 7 minutes in. So I'm going to spray this coil and then go back. As I finish this coil out, to be able to get to the outside air coil and begin to clean it out. What I'll do is I have a spray bottle over there. It's a mix of water, mostly water, Dawn soap, and a little bit of Windex. Kind of a crazy mix. But yeah, we'll come back and see what we can do with this air conditioner. All right. All right. The inside temperature switch is right here where it's tucked into these fins. You can literally just slip it out and clean around it. Right now I'm going to try to brush some of that dirt out, and then we're going to spray it down. And the product we have for this, here's the Evap Fresh No Rinse Evaporator Coil Cleaner and Disinfectant. That's an easy to use product. It's a no rinse product. It's also got a fungicide and a mildew stat in it. And so I think that's a good idea for what we're using on the interior air. Let's give that a try. But first, some brushing. He looks pretty messy, so I'm going to rinse it down and see what we get out of it, down to a stream. So all of that liquid will run down to the bottom of the casing, go through these vent holes, and it's going to come smack out the bottom of that plastic shell, and that's why these rags are all lined down the side. The rinse that up front. And the styrofoam top goes back on. Good.